Look at all these slimy farm animal toys. Let's remove the slime from the farm animals. Cat. Next, we have this one. Let's see what this one is. It's a sheep. A white sheep. Next, let's do this one. Here we go. It's a chicken. Next, let's grab this one. Okay, let's remove the slime. It's a rabbit. A white rabbit. Let's get another farm animal. How about this one? It's a dog. Okay, now this one. Let's see what this one is. It's a goat. A gray goat. Next. What do you think this is? It's a duck. A yellow duck. So slimy. It's a cow. A black and white cow. Next. Here we go. It's a pig. A pink pig. And here's another one. What could it be? It's a horse. A brown horse. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more farm animal videos. See you later.